I am Aldrin Castillo Paras and I shared my insight about the movies that I watched last week. First, I watched Battle Royale. It is Japanese movie filmed by Kenji Fukusaka and written by his son, Kenta Fukusaka. Based on the controversial 1999 novel by Koshun Takumi, starring Tatsuya Furukawa, Aki Maeda, Taro Yamamoto, and Takeshi Kitaro. The film follows a group of junior high forced to fight to the death by the Japanese totalitarian government. The film drew controversy and was banned or excluded from distribution in several countries. Tone Company refused to sell the film to any US distributor for over a decade due to concern about potential controversy and lawsuit until Anchor Bay Films eventually acquired the film in 2010 direct-to-video release. In near future, by the way, this is the plot of the movie. Following a severe recession and high employment rate, the Japanese government has passed BR Act to curb the nation juvenile delinquency has takes random class of delinquent students and saves them to battle royale game where only one survivor get to make it out. Glue thus becoming a good citizen of Japan. Middle of school year, the teacher Kitamo resigned after being wounded with a knife by Yoshitoki Kanonobu, Shuya's best friend, one of the Shuya's classmates. Noriko Nakagawa picks up the knife and secretly keeps it in her possession. 1 year later, his classmate believes they are taking a field trip but they are gassed and taken to remote island. Kitamo reappears surrounded by JSDF soldiers and explaining that the class was chosen to participate in the annual Battle Royale. As a result of the act, they have 3 days to fight to the death after a victor emerges. Of explosive colors will kill uncooperative students or those within designated danger zone. Kitamo tells that the class that they were chosen due to their disobedience. Each student is provided due to their ration, a map supply, and random weapon or item. To prove that thus this is no game, Kitamo tells 2 of the students for disobedience, one of being them is Kononobu. This student transfer by one as they get their equipment from JSDF soldier. Now we go on to the next movie, entitled Taare Samin Par. Every Child is Special. Was so very interesting movie about Ishan Awasti is a child with learning disability. Ishan was always understood and it seems to like no no one else appreciation him, including his parents, other child and teachers in their school or at school cannot understand him. Thinking didn't ever try to examine why child is having a life cultures in his studies. Also, other child always bullied him because they thought he is an idiot. Even his father can't understand why Ishan is different from his intelligent older brother. He was then sent to board school to improve and he thought Ishan was naughty and lazy kid that need discipline, but he didn't know that emotion and not emotional and not wanting to communicate with other people. But when teacher Ram was so curious, so check the background of Ishan. Teacher checked the passbook, then he knew that Ishan was talented and intelligent. I advised how Sir Ram responds to Ishan because he showed that really gives, really cares for children with special needs. Because his time, effort, patience, and care, Ishan regain his passion in painting and that is also motivate the child to study hard and never quit. As a future teacher, this movie really inspires me and a lot that I have been through to that feeling when I was a kid, having a difficulties in studying, but I am so thankful to my mother because she didn't stop teaching me to really learn. These movies also help me to have an idea on what I should do in the future in my career. The next movie is entitled Till Death Do Us Part 2023. If I were Gibbs White, Till Death Do Us Part didn't ever bother naming most of his character, I would check it up to the creative team's passion for making something that never made before. But looking at just how little scope there is for any of them to learn even a surface level impact of the audience not having to remember their names only saves us trouble and keep track of who's who. There is so something about the bride, Natalie Byrne, the screams of an innocent case of cold feet, and when she does make a run for it, By the way, this is my reflection about the 3 movies. Thank you and good night.